Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. Part of our mythology adventure entails understanding the messages myths send, as well as the relevance of these messages to the world around us. This week, we'll start our exploration of the connections between myths and gender. There are many cultural norms about gender, including ideas about masculinity, femininity, and non-binary gender identities. Some of these norms have been influenced or reinforced by the messages about gender found in myths. One of this week's resources is an overview of feminist theory as applied to literary analysis. The term feminist may make it sound like this approach only deals with representations of female genders, but it's in fact much broader than that. Feminist theory deals with questions about how literature and other cultural productions, such as film, television, or advertising, represent men, women, and other gender identities. The questions posed in this resource will serve as a good foundation for our analysis of gender representation in both Greek myth and contemporary pop culture. Over the course of the next few weeks, we'll discuss representations of masculinity, femininity, and non-binary genders. This week, we'll start with masculinity. We'll look at some contemporary ideas about masculinity and also discuss what kinds of messages are sent by Greek myths focused on male characters such as Ares and Zeus. Our work this week will likely lead to a greater understanding of how myths and other cultural productions can lead to the creation and reinforcement of stereotypes and norms about gender.